Hello everybody, and welcome back to another class. If this is your first time here, please let me introduce myself quickly. My name is PeywandOne, and I thought I would make a video about slangs. And yeah, today I'm going to talk about slangs. Also, why is it important to know slangs? Well, there are slangs that you probably have to know, but you don't need to use them every time you communicate with others. Well, I'm not saying you should avoid learning slangs, but when you are talking to an American speaker, an English speaker, you need to comprehend what they want to say. Also, one of the benefits of learning slangs is that you will create a sense of belonging. It helps you create a community, as well as you are gonna feel you are a part of the culture. In this video, I will talk about the most recent and modern and brand new slangs in the United States of America. Well, the best thing that you can do to learn slangs is to get a notebook and write the words down. Comment below if you found them new. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and let's go. Well, before we dig into it, let's find out what is a slang word, or what are slangs. Well, slangs are words that are used among certain groups and people from a specific region and not widely known by people. Alright, the word number one is buck, which means dollar. In American English, we say dollar, but British people tend to pronounce this word as dollar. Yeah, in American English, we have a long vowel here, dollar. Alright, so let's go to the first example. This cost us $200. This cost us $200. Alright, cost us in British English, which means this cost us $200. Well, let's try another example. Can I borrow a couple of bucks? Can I borrow in American English? Borrow in British English. Alright, let's go to the next word. The next word is shook. Alright, shook is the past form of shake. Generally and normally we say I'm shaken, but slangs do not. Oh my god, again, British and American. Did I just say British? Well, yeah, I just said British, not British. Alright, slangs do not in British. In American we say do not. Again, follow in American language, follow in British. Slangs do not follow grammar rules. In slang, we say I'm shook, which means I'm scared. Let's go to slang number three. The word number three, I'm dead, I'm cracking up, I'm rolling on the floor. They basically mean laughing so hard. Well, we got another way of saying it, which is I'm weak. I'm dead. When your friend's telling you a joke, and you can say I'm dead. Mirdim is the Kurdish word for it. Alright, we are coming to the end, and the last phrase that is used typically in California is I'm chilling. I am chilling, or I'm chilling, which means I'm relaxing, I'm taking a rest. You also often hear let's chill, which means let's hang out. Let me think of a name to put it in an example. On a name. For example, Saddam, let's chill, which simply means let's hang out. And alright guys, and that was all from me for today's class, and thank you so much for watching and being attentive. I'll see you soon. I'll see you very soon in my next videos. Bye bye.